How to find streaming quality settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find streaming quality settings on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer and then click this settings here in top corner, and here you will find audio. Click on it, and as you see here you will find it streaming quality, and you can manage here mobile data or Wi-Fi and Google Cast or anything you want. Just manage it and then go back, it will be saved. And as you see, that's how to find streaming quality settings. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.